Привет, друзья! Today in the lesson we are going to understand the difference between ТОЖЕ и ТАКЖЕ. I'm Oksana, I'm a teacher of Russian language. In Russian, both ТОЖЕ и ТАКЖЕ can be translated as also or too in English, but they are used in a slightly different context. So, ТОЖЕ is used to express similarity or agreement. It's often used in response to a statement to indicate that the same thing applies to the subject being discussed. Example. Я люблю читать книги. I love reading books. Я тоже. Me too. Также is used to add information or provide an additional point. It's often used to introduce a new item in a list or to emphasize an additional aspect. Example. Он хорошо говорит на английском языке. Он также знает французский. He speaks English well. He also knows French. So, тоже is used to express agreement or similarity, while также is used to add information or emphasize an additional point. Please note that these explanations provide a general guideline, and the usage of тоже and также can vary depending on the context and the specific sentence. Спасибо, что вы учите русский язык.